Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We are doing another engine rebuild video. So we're just cleaning all the components. We've just got bearings just come today as well, head gasket. We're just cleaning the pistons and crank up, cleaning the main caps up as well. So we have fitted some components to the engine so far. So we've got the oil filter housing bolted on. We've got the water pump on the engine vent bolted on as well. Got a water pump pipe as well for the 10mm, and we've got the alternator bracket on as well. You see, this is a very special crank. As you see, the stamp 5E. So we've got the main caps in the cleaner now, just taking all the old caps off, like the thrust washers as well. It's got new ones of them. Certain noise on in the background. There's we're using the injector cleaner, if you remember from last video. So I'm going to put this in time lapse, make them all nice and shiny, then we can start putting them into the bottom end. So the main cap's all cleaned up now. So we have the ARP mains as well. Get them nice all clean. All the washers as well. So this is the oil pressure relief valve. We gotta strip it, make it all nice and clean as well. So you can put that bolted into the block.
Just you need some gas on.
So all the components are clean now. We have checked the clearance on the bearings as well. We're super happy with it. So we're going to put some assembly lube, Lucas, onto the thrust washers at the moment and onto the main bearings. So these have all been tightened up and nipped up with Allen key. These only supposed to be nipped up, haven't they? Yeah. So just put some ARP fastener lube on top of the threads of the main cap and onto the washers. That's what it looks like. Put every single one all lubed up. So just put the nut on and then we can start torquing them up to spec. So all the studs are on now. Just going to get the socket and then just fit them in by hand. Just cutting it in the first stage. I don't know if you can see, 20 foot-pounds. Key in the background, Sean's in the machine. and just bumping up to 40 foot-pounds. And the last final stage, 60 foot-pounds. So just quickly got the 1/2 inch ratchet. That's that one. So put it to 60 foot-pounds. Just because it's a lot easier to do it this way. 381. It's just way too hard to do, especially when you're on your own. Second. So there we go, all tucked up now. That's it, free. That's all free. It's coming out. See, nice and free now. Crank. All tucked to spec. Spins nice and freely. So next step, I'm going to start cleaning the pistons up, as the engine had something wrong with it.
Cadence.
So the bottom end is all assembled now. So we'll clean the pistons up best as we can. As you clean the face of the head, and now we're just putting a kinetic head gasket on now. So we'll place that on now. Base head on as well with it. So I'm going to get the head bolts, clean them all up, and then put them in. So the head bolts are all in now, cleaned them up, and lubed them all back up. So just talking the head in sequences, so I'm just putting time lapse while talking this up.
As I'm editing this, it's in time lapse, of course, as I said. Got a little bit of cold doing this. Well, I'm just putting the shims in at the moment in time. I cleaned them up with brake cleaner, make them all nice and shiny and nice and clean as well. And using some lube to make sure they go in as well. Some semi-lube, Lucas one. So that's pretty much it.
So it's the next day now. We have retorqued the head. We'll let it sail overnight and retorqued it. And as you've seen by the time lapse, I put all the shims in. Sean's just put the cams in. There are Piper cams as well. We're just putting the cam caps in as well. And here's what it looks like at the moment. We're just getting a torque wrench, torquing the cams caps up 30 newton meters. So, and all the clearances are fine on this. On both sides. So that's all torqued down to spec now. Still got to put the end caps on for the caps. I'm just got to put some silicone on the sealer. I'm going to get the inlet manifold on there. and get the fuel rail bolted on to one of our SSA billet fuel rails. So I'm ready to put this inlet manifold on now. Just put the gasket on already. So let's bolt on now. Just get the stud. Put these studs in first. So ready to torque up the inlet manifold. Just using a torque wrench now, just nipping them all up first. So the torque settings are nice and equal. So I'm ready to torque up the inlet manifold now. Change the socket because there's 113. So just double check them all torque correctly. That's all torqued up. So, ready to put the fuel rail in there. If you want a chance to win one of these, you already know. Got a link in the description. This is one of our gold versions. We do have purple and invaluable as well. So, just put this in there.
So about a couple of weeks past now, oil pump has finally come. It's a crank sensor one as well, so more expensive one as well, as it's running a Haltech Elite, as it will need the crank sensor wiring for the ECU. Sean does all the magic, I don't know, but as I said, it's been a couple of weeks on this one, and you will be seeing another video on this 5E when it comes down in a couple of weeks, or maybe, I don't know, months, but it'll be a good video because when you see this colour, he showed me the pictures in person. Oh my god, the glands are one of the best glands I've ever seen. So, as you can clearly see, Sean's just put the oil pump on. He's just nipping them up at the moment and timing. So he's torqued that up as well. Here's a nice cam belt we just got ordered in for the customer, a nice RPM cam belt as well. So they're quite popular for drag racing really. As you can see, it's all nice and on, and he's just ready to tighten up the pulleys for the cam belt, for the tensioner and that stuff. So make sure they're quite tight, well, not too tight. Or pick up, he's just put that on as well. Make sure that's all torqued up as well, which he did. And then he's put some gasket sealer all around the sump, and that's ready to all get torqued up as he has done.
So you might not be able to hear me properly because we do have a heater on because it's quite cold in the unit. So it has been a couple of days now, well, probably about 2 weeks. Move this around. Yeah, it's been about 2 weeks. We was waiting for the oil pump and it finally come today, so that's why this video is all finished now. So we've got a new cam belt on it as well, nice blue one. This is the brand. We can actually get these on stock on our website as well, RPM Performance Belts. So fully rebuilt bottom end, but obviously like recon. Just get everything on all right now. So this engine, all we've got to do is put some clutch on and flywheel, but we do that before the customer comes. Still got to tighten this bracket up here. But basically this engine's all done now. So that's pretty much. So if you guys like this video, make sure you do subscribe to the channel, and I'll leave a like. And thanks to 1,000 subscribers. So the giveaway will be coming soon. Don't worry about that. It's one of these SSA Performance billet fuel rails. Comes with all the fittings, and I will be choosing one lucky winner. So I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.
So here's the winner of the SSA billet fuel rail giveaway. I've liked his comment. I've already messaged him on Instagram. I did a spinning wheel and it got landed on him as it was on my Instagram page. I'm just waiting for the response off the guy. And thanks for entering the giveaway. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.